Hello everybody! This is Miss Sarah. How are you doing today? You're doing great. That's awesome. I'm so glad. I've got a special friend with me today. This is Nadia.
Hi.
You say hi to Nadia? This is my daughter. She's here to help me. So today, we're going to pretend that you're in the dance studio because we can't be here, unfortunately. But I'm looking forward to seeing you soon, and I miss you all very much. So let's start. Let's start by sitting down on the floor and making a beautiful butterfly shape. And let's flap our wings. Great job, everybody. What color wings do you have today? That is a great choice. What color wings do you have, Nadia?
I have sparkly purple.
Sparkly purple wings. How about that? So where should we fly? Where would you like to fly today? Really? Oh my goodness. Who do you know who lives there? Wow. That's great. Nadia, where would you like to fly?
Fly to a giant castle.
And who lives in the castle?
A princess.
Oh my goodness. Can you imagine being a beautiful princess or handsome prince? Oh my goodness, that is great. So now let's give our knees a big hug. We're going to pretend that the weather is beautiful outside and we're in a beautiful pool, and we're going to slide down the pool. You ready? Okay, let's go. We're going to go up the slide, up, and down and splash. Wow, that was a great splash. Shall we do it again? We should? Okay. Let's do it one more time. All right, let's go up the slide. Up. And down and splash. Woo! That was a giant splash. Wow! We got everybody in the pool wet. Oh my goodness. Let's put our toes out. Miss Sarah still needs to get new ballet shoes. Look at my shoe. Oh my goodness. That's so silly. Let's say goodbye, toes. Hello, toes. Goodbye, toes. Hello, toes. Let's make our toes go round and round and round. Great job, everybody. You are doing awesome today. You're looking good over there. Shall we plant something in our garden today? What would you like to plant today? That is a great choice. Nadia, what would you like to plant in your garden?
Chives.
Chives! Oh my goodness! I don't think we've had chives in our garden before. Yummy! So we've got strawberries and apples and cherries and carrots. Yum! We've got a delicious garden, don't we? Let's put our food in the garden. Good job! What do we need for a garden to grow? That's right! We need sunshine! Let's find Mr. Tallfinger. Do our sunshine fingers. Great job! What else do we need for a garden to grow? Well, that is right! You're doing great today. We need the rain. Let's sprinkle some rain. Everybody lay down. Let's count to 3 and sit up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Our garden didn't grow. What should we do? That's right. Let's get the hose Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Look what is up there. Who planted the big giant beanstalk? Was it you, Nadia?
Maybe.
Oh my, was it you? Oh, it was you. I thought it was you. Should we catch some jelly beans from our tree? We should. What color jelly bean would you like to pick today? That's my favorite too. Yum. Nadia, what flavor would you like to pick?
Cotton candy.
Oh my goodness. Do you guys like cotton candy too? You do? Shall we catch some? Let's catch them with our toe finger. Let's have a bite. Oh my, let's catch one more. How many shall we catch today? What? Are you sure? All of them? All right, let's catch 2 more. Good job. Now let's pull down the moon. It's a big moon tonight. Are you ready? You got your muscles ready? Pull them down. Great job. Let's put them in the basket. All right, we're going to put all those jelly beans back in the sky. You ready? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, it's raining jelly beans on everybody. All right, on your toes. All right, you know what we do now? What is the word of the day? That is an amazing word. I love it. So we're going to jump up. Nadia, what would you like the word of the day to be?
Pink.
Pink. Oh my, that's a great choice. We're going to jump up and you say your word of the day and I'll say Nadia's word of the day. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Pink! Oh my goodness, let me see you jump. Oh, you almost bumped your head on the ceiling. Be very careful. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Pink! Oh, wait. That was great, great job. All right, let's kiss heels. Let's do first position. Let me see those toes. They are beautiful feet today. Hold that big beach ball. Good job, Nadia. Great job. Can you guys show me second position? Let me see. That's right. Open toes, bend those elbows. Oh my goodness. You are doing such a great job. Can you show me one more position? Can you show me third position? Look at that! 1 foot in the middle and third position. Wow, you guys are looking fantastic today. Wait, did you bring an animal to ride around today on? You did? What did you bring? Oh my goodness, we've got an alligator, we've got Raja, we have a unicorn, we've got an alicorn, and of course we've got a horse. What did you bring, Nadia?
My dog, Dandy.
You brought a dog? Oh my goodness, that's so silly. Shall we go around the room on our animals? We should. Let me think, what shall I ride today? I'm gonna ride on a horse. Okay, everybody, go get your animals. That's right, you tied your animal up here, Nadia. Have you got it? All right, let's wait for the next song. Perfect, ready to gallop? Off we go. Here we go. I'll go around the same. Great job! You guys are great at galloping. And shall we freeze? Ready? Freeze! Wait, did you freeze? Let me see. That is amazing. You did a great job freezing. All right, I've got my camera. Here we go. I'm going to take a picture. everybody in first position. Nadia, that is a great first position. I'm going to take a picture. You ready? Everybody say first position.
First position.
Oh my goodness, look at this, everybody. Wow, that picture is amazing. All right, get back on your animals. This time, we're going to do some beautiful walks, ballerina walks, super slow. Let me see you. You are doing amazing. And freeze. Let me see you do second position. I've got my camera. You ready? Oh my goodness. Let me hear you say second position. 1, 2, 3.
Second position.
Look at this one. Oh my goodness. That is a beautiful photograph. Did you guys take a picture of us? Let me see your picture. Let me see. Wow, you guys are great photographers. I love it. All right, one more time. What should we do now? Shall we skip around? We should. Get on your animals. One more time. Let's skip. Off we go. Wow, you guys are great at skipping. And freeze. Ooh, I've got one position that you guys love to do we haven't done yet. Do you have something to hold on to like a chair? You do? I think we can use this bar in here. Let me see your chair. Or table. Or couch. Let me see. That is perfect. Let me see you do arabesque at the bar. 2 hands on the bar. Push your toe out. And lift your leg. Let me see your arabesque. Do you see Nadia's arabesque? Tell Nadia, say point your toe. Oh, she is. She's doing a great job. All right, I'm going to take a picture now. 1, 2, 3. Say arabesque.
Arabesque.
Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That is a beautiful photograph. All right. Shall we stand on the line now? Maybe you have a spot where you're standing at your house that you'd like to stand at to do our center work. Are you ready? Let me see you standing there. Can you stand in first position? Oh my goodness, beautiful. I'm gonna go change the music. Can you wait just a second while I do that? You can? All right, I'll be right back. You stay there now, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Okay. 3, 9, 8, 5, 6, 3. First position.
I don't need to do it. Let's not change it.
We're gonna do a plie.
Oh, this is beautiful. I want to see some beautiful arms now. First position. I'm going to put our arm up to the sky and watch those fingers go all the way up. Let me see. Beautiful. Let's do our other arm. All the way up. Oh my goodness. Let's do it one more time. You ready? Arms all the way up. Turn your head and look